So we all covered the topics multiple channels, diversity techniques and multiple access techniques so far. Today we discuss about the rake receivers. Okay, rake receiver, it's a radio receiver designed to counter the effects of multipath fading. That means it's avoid the effect of or nullify the effect of multipath fading. Already we discussed what is multipath transmission and multipath fading. Okay, so it's all used in mainly in satellite and the mobile communications. This multipath components is exist. So in ZDMA we mainly use this rake receivers. In rake receivers there are several sub receivers. It's a collection of receivers called finkers are used, and this rake receiver attempts to collect the time shifted version of the original signal by providing a separate correlation receiver for each of the multipath signals. As we know what is multipath will have the say multiple copies of the same transmitted signal. So at the receiver side we will use different correlation receivers for collecting all these multipath signals. That is the principle behind the rake receivers, and it uses a combination of correlators, code generators and delays or finkers to spread out the individual signals of the multipath transmission. So each signal is then delayed according to peaks found in the received signal. Then why the name rake receiver? Something different name rake. Rake, as we know, the rake is a tool which is used for collecting leaves in gardens. So it's named so because it reminds the function of a garden rake. So the receiver uh, have a function like garden rake, that each finger collecting symbol energy similar to how a rake collect leaves. So there are already said the rake receiver have many fingers. These fingers collect each multipath components and that will be added or processed together to recover the information. That is why this receiver is known as rake receivers. That means if you have multiple uh, correlators, and that will be clubbed together to recover the information. So this diagram shows what is the principle behind a rake receiver. This first shows the different multipath components. Here there are three paths, and at ZDMA there is we use the rake receivers, and each rake receivers have some pseudo noise pods in order to recover the information. So path 1 and path 2 having different branches for rake receivers, and at the end we will collect all the paths signal energy, and that signal will be considered for the recovery of information. So here the multipath components will have different delays. So each path will provide different delay depending on the delay in the multipath components, and that will be come in same order, and after all the delayed version will be clubbed together in order to recover or to make the decision. So this picture shows what is the basic principle behind rate receiver. So this is the overall diagram of a rate receiver. Here we have a received signal that will be delayed. This delayed versions of this multipath components will be received signal is given to each correlators. Here there are m correlators are the m multipath components, and each correlator will have a reference PN sequence. So one user will have a dedicated PN sequence, and that PN sequence will be given as the reference to the all the correlators, and the output of the correlators is given to a phase and gain adjusters. So each multipath components will have different gain and different phases, and that will be adjusted and all the outputs of this will be clubbed together. Here we are sum up with all this phase and gain adjusted waveform, and that will be given to a correlation receiver. So here we this integrator, product integrator and decision device. So this portion is normally what is a normal receiver, what we do in the receiver side. Okay, so in a rake receiver, additional there is n correlators and phase and gain adjusters are there. So this is mainly used for the multipath reception, multipath components reception. So this simple diagram shows the rake receivers. So here R of t is the received signal, and this R of t contains m components, multipath components, that is m1 of t to m2 of t up to mm of t, and that will be given to a m correlators, and then it will be phase and gain adjusted, and it is summed, and it will be given to a product integrator and then decision device. Okay. So in ZDMA system, multipath propagation improve the signal quality by use of a rake receiver. As already we told, we club the multipath components, and the power level of this multipath components is added constructively in order to recover. So the our detected power will have a higher power level because of use of rake receivers. Less fluctuation of detected power because of adding all energies. So here we add all the path constructively added all the multipath components. So with the working of rate receivers, already we told the output of each correlator are weighted to provide better estimate of the transmitted signal than provided by a simple component, and equalize the effect of multipath. Equalize means we have to cancel the effect of multipath and spread out the individual echo signals of multipath, and each signal is then delayed according to peaks found in the receiver signal. And the demodulation is based on the weighted output of M correlators. It's mainly used in CDMA based. And this multipath fader signal may be approximated as a linear combination of differently delayed echoes, and useful information of the transmitted signal is contained in the multipath components of the received signal. So we cannot avoid the multipath components, and the rake receiver uses correlation method to detect this echo, that is multipath signals individually, and added them algebraically. The weighted coefficients are in accordance with the maximal ratio combining principle. Already we discussed the maximal ratio combining in diversity. What we do is the all the weighted components, all the multipath components are multiplied with a weighing factor that depends on the signal strength. So the if signal strength is low, we will give a scaling factor, high scaling factor. That means we will make all the signal energy in a similar fashion. So the SNR of weighted sum is maximized when the amplitude rating is performed in proportion to the persistent but in a signal strength. So here we will multiplied with the scaling factor and then summed. So the overall SNR will be the summation of all the multiple components value. So the SNR will be maximized. That is why it is known as maximal ratio combining. So here the picture shows how this rake receivers select the multipath components. Here there are adjacent paths will have the high correlation, so we will neglect the adjacent paths and select some. Here there are many multipath components are, but we select only three values. Only these paths are constructively utilized in this rake receivers. So this is an example for a rake receiver. There are three fingers. We can select how many fingers are there. So this is just an example. Here this is a transmitted symbol, and the received symbol will have many will be the shifted or delayed or attenuated version of the transmitted symbol. So that will be modified in this form by using channel estimation, and then the combined symbol will be something similar to the transmitter symbol, that will be the received signal by use of rate receiver. So this next is at the end of the rate receivers, we have the applications of rate receiver, that is CDMA and WCDMA radio receivers, that is mobile phone, wireless LAN, and also used for the radio astronomy. And advantages of receiver is it's improved SNR. Already I told how this SNR is improved. Improved means we will take the summation of all the signal energy, so the SNR will be improved. And also the SNR is increased, it will improve the performance. And ISI can be avoided by introducing different delays to multipaths such that they can act constructively rather than destructively. And disadvantages of rate receivers is its complexity and size. So the size and complexity is increases, it also increases the cost. Thank you.